Alright folks, Twisted Axles here. We're working on a Can-Am Maverick X3 RC. We are coming in here and swapping out the factory shifter to your SUPERATV Quik shift. Roughly $100. SUPERATV site. Get on there, hook them up. Hit them up, get what you need, they will get it to you. Quick teardown of what you got to do to get this thing hooked up and in. Of course, you got the two pushers here you take out. You got a screw here, 2 screws here you will take out. You pull this screw out. You have 4 plastic clips down in here, 2 on each side, 1 here and 1 here. 1 on this side, 1 on this side. Get you something flat, slide down in there, pop one side out. Once you wiggle one side out, ease it over, you can get enough room to pop the other side out. And then of course pull your shifter off, pull your old shit handlebar off, and that will pop off. And then you're down to your shifter. Alright, once you get to this point, you want to take this screw out, and there's a screw right up under here. Just lightly lift and you can see it right there. You pull that screw out. Of course, we've done pulled everything out, so we pull that off. It's out of the way. Everything's good to go. Might want to clean it at this point. If not, throw it back together. But quick down knot. You'll throw this on here and it's just pretty much reverse of what you just did. This one, we got a 4-seater. We're just demoing because it's basically the same from here to here, same process as an M3 2-seater. When you get back here, you've got a few more bolts to take out. You gotta pop this side shield off, which is the same as the front. Get something flat down there. This is what we use. You can get it on Amazon. It's really cheap. Pop it in there, pop. You come back here, pop your 2 little things out. You're gonna have 2 screws here to pop out. Okay, once you get this panel pulled back so you can see, they probably recommend you pull the seat out. You can do this without that. Same thing in the front, you can do it without pulling the seat out. You got a bolt here, a bolt here, same thing on the other side, 1 there, 1 there. Pull this back, get you an extension, pop them out, get them out of the way, get them out of the way. Your console should turn loose and come out once you do all your little wiggling. Peace. Make sure you snug everything down real good. Once you got all this bolted in, of course all you gotta do is throw this over out of the way. Get your shifter, come back in here, get your line all this up. Like I said, same as reverse. Get one side in. And you should have enough room. You'll hear it all snap back in. You just want to do everything in reverse. Voila. Put your shifter back on. Screw her down. Make sure you snug everything down real good. Once you got all this bolted in, of course all you got to do is throw the old one away. Get your shifter, come back in here, get your line all this up. And like I said, same as reverse. Get one side in. And you should have enough room. You'll hear it all snap back in. You just want to do everything in reverse. Voila. Put your shifter back on. Screw her down.